Let's take a look at Meta Ad Widgets and Insights inside of HighLevel. These widgets let you pull your Facebook and your Instagram performance directly into any dashboard or custom report. So you can track clicks, spend, conversions, top performing campaigns, all without switching platforms. If you manage ads for clients, this makes reporting clearer, optimization faster, and your dashboards way more valuable. Here's how it works. Once you're inside of HighLevel, the first thing you want to do is connect your Meta ad account. To do that, come down to settings in the bottom left-hand side, and then scroll down to integrations. Then just hop over here, connect your accounts, and then it will start pulling things from that platform right into your dashboard. Now to display the information on your dashboard, click on go back in the top left corner, come down to dashboards, and then this will be the display that you see. If you want to add the widget, then click on edit dashboard in the top right corner, and then on the right hand side, if you scroll down, you'll see Meta ads. When you toggle it down, you'll see so many different KPIs that you can add to your dashboard, such as amount spent, cost per conversion, ad impressions, click-through rate, and so many more. Let's say I want to add the amount spent. I'm going to scroll up and click on amount spent. Then you can see you have a whole bunch of different customization options. How do you want this data to display on the dashboard? Things like adding it numerically, as a donut chart, a line chart, a bar graph, and so many more. There is advanced settings at the bottom here that you can click on to change more properties. Let's say I'm happy with the numeric view and I'm going to keep the title as amount spent. Then all you have to do is simply click on save and the widget will be added to the bottom of the dashboard. If you don't want to display this KPI right at the bottom of the dashboard, then all you have to do is grab it and drag it to the desired area. Once you let go, it will remain there. What's super cool is that you can do the same thing in custom reports. Just come down to reports on the left hand side, click on add new report. I'll choose a blank report. Then just like the dashboard, all you have to do is come over to the left hand side, click on add widget, scroll down to Meta ads, and then add the metric that you want to display. Again, you can customize it however you like and then click on save and it will be added to your report. This is an excellent way to share the performance with your clients without having to do it manually. Once you're happy with your report, click on send or schedule in the top right corner, schedule the report, and then click on save and schedule. And that's how you use Meta ad widgets and insights inside of HighLevel. By bringing ad performance directly into your dashboards, you get clearer data, faster optimization, and easier client reporting without exporting spreadsheets or jumping between different platforms. For more information about this or other HighLevel features, be sure to check out our YouTube channel, blog, and help docs. The link's in the description below.